Hey there. Chances are you've already seen those AI talking avatars that are taking over YouTube. They're blowing up for a good reason, viewers love them, and they're super easy to make. Back in the day, starting a YouTube channel meant digging into your pockets for expensive gear, sitting in front of a camera, recording everything yourself, and dealing with endless editing. It could be pretty overwhelming, right? But guess what? In 2025, launching a channel is a breeze. Thanks to AI, you can create a lifelike talking avatar and generate a realistic voiceover, all in under 10 minutes. No fuss, no sweat. That's why I'm making this video, to show you exactly how to do it. By the time we're done, you'll know how to build a high-quality avatar, give it a realistic or fun voice, animate it to speak, and make it work perfectly for both long videos and YouTube Shorts. Seriously, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to create your first talking avatar from scratch. Now, if you really want your avatar to grab people's attention, it needs to look and sound top-notch. That's where this amazing tool comes in. It's called Humva, and I've dropped the link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Getting started is simple, just create your account. If you prefer speed, you can sign up using your Google account in seconds. Once you're in, you'll see how powerful Humva really is. It lets you design any kind of talking avatar you can dream of, male, female, realistic, animated. The possibilities are endless. Everything is easily customizable, too, so you can fine-tune your avatar to match your brand or personal style. Let's jump right in, and I'll show you how to make your first talking avatar. At the top of the page, you'll see a Create Avatar button. Click that, and you'll get two options. 1. Turn a photo into a talking avatar. 2. Start completely fresh and build a character however you like. Pick the option that best suits your project, and you're on your way. In just a few minutes, you'll have a unique digital persona ready to star in your videos, no fancy equipment needed. Ready to give it a shot? Let's do this together, stick around, and I'll walk you through every step to turn your ideas into a reality. By the time you're done, you'll see just how easy it is to produce engaging, high-quality avatar-driven content that keeps viewers hooked. Let's get started. Alright, let's try the Custom Looks option next. This lets you upload a photo to represent your avatar. Just remember these important points. 1. The image format can be PNG, JPG, or WEBP. 2. Keep the file size under 10 megabytes. 3. For the best results, your picture should be front-facing and centered. Click on the upload box, select your image, and give it a moment to process, usually just a few seconds. Once it's done, your avatar will be ready. Next, Humva will automatically present for voice choices that match your avatar. However, if you have a voice recording of your own, simply click Upload Voice and drop your audio file right there. It'll show up in your list of voices to pick from. After that, press Next. Now you'll name your avatar, maybe Test Avatar as an example. Right below the name field, you can select from either a 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratio. I'm going to pick 16:9 for this demonstration. Afterward, head to the Topics section. This is where you can select a theme or background style that suits your video. For this demo, I'll go with the studio style to illustrate how it looks. Click Next once again, and the tool will start creating several different avatar variations based on your chosen theme. This part typically takes around 30 seconds. When it's done, you'll see multiple avatar image options. Pick as many as 5 that catch your eye, then click Generate Avatar to wrap things up. The avatar creation process usually takes around 3 minutes. While we wait, let's make another avatar, this time in a 9:16 format with a slight twist. Head over to Avatar Creation, choose Custom Looks, and upload a new photo just like before. Once it's done, Humva will offer 4 different voice options. Let's check them out. Let's make this awesome together, for variations.
Let's make this awesome together, whatever you're aiming for.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for.
Let's make this awesome together, whatever.
Let's make this awesome together,
Whatever you're aiming for.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
They all sound good, but I'm leaning toward the fourth one, so I'll pick that. Next, name your avatar something like Avatar 9:16 test and make sure to select the line 16 ratio. Next, I'll switch the topic from studio to lifestyle. Click Next again, and Humva will generate images that fit the lifestyle theme. You'll notice these include full body poses, which look pretty cool. Choose the images you like best, then click Generate to finalize everything. That's it, you'll have your new avatar ready in no time. Right now, our avatar is in the process of being generated, which typically takes around 3 minutes. Once it's done, go ahead and select the avatar video you like best. On the right side of your screen, you'll find a box where you can type in your own script. Humva supports over 32 languages, so feel free to write in whatever language you prefer. Just make sure to erase the default text first and keep your script under 2,000 characters. Then, click Export. This step also takes about 3 minutes. I've produced several avatar videos with these exact steps. Let's take a look at one.
Ready to turn your passion into profit? With AI on your side, transforming ideas into income has never been easier. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel.
Ready to turn your passion into profit. With AI on your side, transforming ideas into income has never been easier. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel.
Ready to turn your passion into profit. With AI on your side, transforming ideas into income has never been easier. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel.
Ready to turn your passion into profit? With AI on your side, transforming ideas into income has never been easier.
Smash that subscribe button and jumpstart your success journey right now. As you can see, the avatar animation looks smooth and incredibly lifelike. Here's how to switch the background of your avatar video to virtually anything you'd like, and trust me, it's super simple. Start by returning to Humva Avatar Creation Tool. Upload your avatar images as before, then pick a voice, or upload your own. Give your avatar a name, choose the video ratio, I'm sticking with 16:9 again, and scroll down to find the green screen option in the topics list. Click on it, then hit Next and let the images load. You'll see your avatar placed against a green background, which is exactly what's needed for easy background swapping. Select your image, generate the talking avatar, and once that's finished, export the video. Alright, we're almost there, now let's bring everything together using an editing app called CapCut. Step 1. Launch CapCut and bring in your avatar video along with the background image you want to use. Step 2. Drag your avatar video onto the timeline. You'll notice it has a green screen, so we'll need to get rid of that. If you're using CapCut Pro, just tap on the background remover, it does the job instantly. But don't worry if you're using the free version, the chroma key tool works great too. Step 3. Open the chroma key tool, tap the color picker, and click on the green area in your video. If there's still some green showing, no problem, just tweak the intensity and shadow sliders until the background is completely gone. Step 4. Now, add your background image to the timeline, but make sure it's placed under the avatar layer. Stretch it out so it matches the length of your avatar clip. And that's it. Everything's aligned, and your avatar now blends smoothly into the new background like it was made for it. And now, we're down to the final step, exporting your video. To get the best results, set the resolution to 4K for crystal clear quality and choose 60 FPS so your avatar moves super smoothly. Once you've set that up, just hit export, and boom, you're done. Now you've got everything you need to create your very first AI talking avatar video. Pretty awesome, right? Let's talk pricing real quick. Humva has a free plan that gives you up to 3 minutes of video, though it does come with a watermark. Need more time? The standard plan is super affordable at just $19 a month and gives you 60 minutes of video. There's also an unlimited plan if you want full access without limits. And hey, if you go with the annual subscription, you'll save even more. If you've made it this far, I know you're serious about bringing your own talking avatar to life, and honestly, this tool makes it so simple, you'll wish you found it sooner. Want to see me test out other avatar tools or explore some cool alternatives? Just drop a comment down below. I'm always up for digging into new tech. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.